Hello everyone, my name is Sathish. I'm from Vellore, Tamil Nadu. I did my graduation in BTech in the stream of Mechanical Engineering from Sitham's College in the year of 2022 passed out. After that, I'm searching for the job. One of my friend referred me to join in Evision Techno Private Limited. It is an IT recruiter and a consulting company, and I have done 2 months internship program in this institute. The trainers, the way of teaching is very well and good. After that I attended so many interviews, and finally I have got selected in TVS electronics, and they offered my salary is 2.8 LPA. And especially thanks to Deepthi ma'am for guiding me to this job. This is the best platform for who are all searching for the job. This is the best platform for freshers and job seekers, with possible jobs with Evision. And I am grateful for the positive impact they have had on my internship journey. Thank you once again to Evision. Thank you.